how to delete Pinterest boards forever. If you want to permanently delete boards on Pinterest, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Pinterest application like this. After we've launched it, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then you have to just tap or select any of the boards that maybe you want to delete, maybe some of the boards that you created. Now to delete the board, you simply have to tap on the three dots icon that you can find here. Now you can choose to hide the board by archiving it, but to delete it permanently, go to the option Edit Board and Header Image. Now when you go to that option, you simply have to scroll all the way down and you'll find an option there that says delete. It says you have 7 days to restore a deleted board. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So tap on delete, do not do anything for 7 days, then this board will be permanently deleted beyond recovery. So I hope the video helped you. If you have any question, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.